What's up, guys? Today we are going to learn how to use one of the resources that's available to MATRF users, and that is the workstation. The workstation is a useful resource for group projects, collaborations, or if you individually want to just get a high definition large screen view of a project that you're working on, or want to hear some high quality audio of some videos that you're working on or something of that sort. The workstation is a great place to do that. And so before we get to how to connect to and use the MATRF, let's get a real quick overview of the parts of the MATRF. Okay, so up here we got the monitor. Right here we got the headphone jack, and we have the control panel back here in the back, and then right here in the middle, conveniently located, is the connectors panel. And then you're going to need your laptop or whatever device that you wish to display on the monitor. Okay, now with how to get connected and to use the workstation, first thing you need to do is to turn on your computer and navigate to the screen that you desire to display on the monitor. And then next, you're going to need to connect your computer to the connectors panel using either a HDMI cable or a VGA cable. However, if you use a VGA cable and want to play audio, then you're going to need to simultaneously use an auxiliary cord because the VGA doesn't play audio on its own. The HDMI, on the other hand, does. In addition to those two connectors, we also have a Ethernet port for internet access if that is needed, and then multiple outlets to keep your devices charged, and then also USB connectors just in case you need those to keep your devices powered up and running. Anyways, the main step here is just to connect to the connectors panel with either the VGA or HDMI. So once you're hooked up to the connectors panel, turn your attention to the control panel. First thing you need to do is press display on, which turns on the monitor. Then you're going to want to press display port. Display port will display on the monitor whatever is connected to the connectors panel. So if you're trying to show a PowerPoint on your laptop and it's connected to the connectors panel, pressing display port will show your PowerPoint on the monitor. If you press HDMI, that is going to display whatever is on the main lectern computer in the MATRF lab. Perhaps in a class you may flip back and forth, but for the purposes of working as a group or individually, display port is going to be the button to press. And then at the bottom you see the volume controls, which controls the audio for the workstation. But if you are working with a lot of audio and don't want to play it out loud and perhaps disturb other groups or MATRF users, the headphones panel is a very convenient resource, and it can accommodate 8 listeners who can use these knobs to adjust their individual volume to suit their personal preference, which is just a nice resource to have. And to wrap things up, if at any point there are any problems or steps that you may have trouble with, there are cards and pamphlets at both workstations in the MATRF that can help you troubleshoot and to work through whatever difficulties you might have. In addition to that, there will also be a MATRF staff member present who you can ask for help, or if you need any cords or adapters, you can borrow that from the MATRF lab as well. And so to disconnect from the workstation, you simply need to press display off and then unplug any cords and return any borrowed materials to the staff member present, and turn your computer off, and you are good to go.